Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off night mode on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off night mode on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon available for us at the top left corner. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Now tap on the settings on this interface, and over here again you can see the chat settings available for us under the category of settings. Over here just above the privacy and security, tap on chat settings, and over here scroll down a little bit under the category of color theme. Over here you can see the switch to day mode option available for us. Now in order to turn off your night mode, tap on that switch to day mode option available for us, and then the night mode will be turned off on Telegram. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off night mode on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.